On December 21, 2024, the world witnessed a tragic event that would forever change the landscape of Santa Cruz, California. The collapse of the beloved Santa Cruz Pier in California, a structure that had stood the test of time for over a century. This wasn't just any pier, it was an iconic landmark, a place where memories were made and dreams took flight over the Pacific waves. Generations of families had walked its wooden planks, shared laughter, and created countless memories. The Santa Cruz Pier had always been a magnet for visitors, drawing people from all walks of life. It was a bustling hub of activity, where the sound of seagulls mixed with the laughter of children and the gentle lapping of waves. From locals enjoying a serene walk at sunrise, taking in the fresh sea breeze and the stunning colors of dawn, to tourists basking in the breathtaking ocean views, capturing the beauty of the Pacific on their cameras, the pier was a place of joy and tranquility. But on that fateful morning, the very structure that brought so much joy began to show signs of distress. Dark storm clouds loomed on the horizon, and the once sturdy pier started to creak and groan under the pressure. A fierce storm had hit the area, unleashing its wrath with relentless winds and mighty waves, leading to the erosion of the pier's foundation. The storm was unlike any seen in recent years, with gusts reaching unprecedented speeds and waves crashing with unrelenting force. As the storm raged on, local authorities sprang into action, evacuating the area with urgency. The safety of the people was paramount, and emergency services worked tirelessly to ensure everyone was moved to a secure location. The situation was dire, and those who witnessed it could feel the tension in the air. Faces were etched with worry, and the community held its breath, hoping for the best but fearing the worst. Cell phone cameras captured the unfolding disaster, as the ground beneath the pier began to shift, and with it, the collective heart of Santa Cruz. The footage showed the pier swaying precariously, each movement a harbinger of the impending collapse. Slowly, agonizingly, the pier succumbed to the unforgiving sea. The collapse was a slow-motion tragedy, each piece of wood and metal falling into the churning waters below. The sight was nothing short of heartbreaking. Tears flowed freely as people watched a beloved piece of their history disappear before their eyes. Rescue teams responded with remarkable speed, but the damage had been done. Their efforts, though heroic, could not undo the devastation that had already occurred. An investigation followed, revealing that the primary cause of the collapse was long-term erosion exacerbated by the storm's extreme weather conditions. The findings highlighted the need for better maintenance and more robust infrastructure to withstand such natural calamities. In the wake of this tragedy, the spirit of Santa Cruz remains unbroken. The community came together, offering support and solidarity to those affected. Stories of kindness and resilience emerged, showcasing the strength of the human spirit. Efforts to rebuild the pier are already underway, a testament to the resilience and determination of the community. Plans are being made to ensure that the new structure will be even stronger and more enduring than before. This incident serves as a sobering reminder of nature's immense power and its impact on our lives. It underscores the importance of respecting and preparing for the forces of nature that can change our world in an instant. The collapse of the Santa Cruz Pier will forever be etched in our memories, a historic moment marked by loss, but also by hope and the unwavering human spirit. It stands as a testament to the community's resilience and the enduring power of collective effort. Thank you for watching. We hope this story of loss and resilience inspires you to cherish the landmarks in your own life and to stand strong in the face of adversity.
Enjoying our content? Subscribe to Knowledge Hub for more. Click the subscribe button and activate the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for being part of our community. See you in the next video.